I have a riddle. I have a crater, but I'm not the moon. What am I? I erupt! But I'm not someone with a bad temper. Patanay! You're right. I'm a volcano. What's up, kids? I Rasputin. We're gonna talk about volcanoes. What's a volcano? A volcano is an opening in the Earth's crust through which lava, volcanic ash, and gases escape. Why do volcanoes erupt? Beneath the Earth's crust, the rocks melted by heat form magma, a gleaming hot liquid mass. When the magma rises up from the depths of the Earth towards the surface, it escapes through a volcano, and this is an eruption.
Eruption.
Guys, tandaan nyo ba dati sumabog tayo kay last January 12. At dun sa sumabog na yun, ang daming namatay na horse, na photo si Jess, tas mga yung R12 is mag-study sana kami. Ayun pala, sumabog na pala yung Taala Volcano. Hindi na kami tumuloy kasi nakita namin sobrang daming ash fall sa labas. Mga bata, ang gawin nyo kapag sumabog ang bulkan? Number 1, don't panic. Gumawa ng emergency plan. Handa na emergency kit. Kaso wala kaming kits. Kami gumawa na tayo emergency kit bukas Lagi nakikinig. Lagi masapog ng bulkan. Handa kasi baka maglindol o bumuo o lupa. Kung kailangan lumikas, sumunod agad. At pagkabata, pag kayo laligis sa mga magulang nyo. Okay, kids, we are going to try volcano eruption experiment.
Okay, this is the box. I bought it from Lazada. It said here, volcano eruption, discover with scientific, become a scientific researcher.
Now,
there is an explanation here how the volcano erupts, or why do volcanoes erupt. Volcano eruption, the interior of the earth is filled with hot magma and inflated bubbles. Under great pressure, the magma will burst out of the crust from a weak place and erupt, causing the eruption of the volcano. Kapag lumabas na bibi yung magma sa bunganga ng volcano, ano nang tawag doon?
lava.
So yes, that is already lava. Kapag nasa ilalim pa siya, magma. Okay.
Okay, let's see the contents. It's eyeglasses. Volcano. It's like a baking soda.
Yeah, it's actually a baking soda.
Let's open this. Acid.
What's that?
Acid.
Citric acid.
2 cups. And what is this? I don't know this.
Sodium bicarbonate. This is the baking soda. What else?
And Coca-Cola.
What else? Syringe, steering spoon and a steering stick, imitation of a volcano, and
What is
an eye mask. It's just a syringe, baby. Okay, in the experiment, it is said here that you must put on the eye mask. Why? Why do you think you need to put on the eye
Because
mask?
I think the lava is danotalsik ng mata.
Alam mo yun? To protect the eyes, prevent the solution from splashing into your eyes. Okay.
Okay, Mommy. Let's start the experiment.
Okay, first, please put on the eye mask before the experiment begins.
Palit po kayo sa Mommy at Daddy nyo paglaki nito kasi yung mga to dangerous kaya ako may ganito.
Take out the powder of the 2 bottles, the citric acid and the sodium bicarbonate, with a spoon and pour into the model volcano.
Now, Mommy's going to put the powder,
Citric powder, sodium bicarbonate.
bicarbonate, we're going to put that.
Draw some water from the cup with a syringe and slowly inject into the powder of the volcano model.
Okay, let's put
Put the water in the volcano model. Okay. May water na yan, B?
Yep.
Okay. Slowly inject the water into the powder. Slowly, baby.
Wow, amazing!
Alert level what?
Alert level 3.
Level.
3. Super many love.
From the mouth or crater of the volcano, there escapes a flow of lava, often together with steam, cinders, dust, and lava fragments. When the lava spurts out from the crater of the volcano, it is red and very, very hot and destroys everything it comes in contact with.
Awesome! Thanks for watching!